Dad taking Supra, giving a test run. No. Yeah, how about we work on getting you the RX 350?
Ayaw ko na ng brand new.
Exactly like uncle's?
Tinitingnan ko nga yung RX or NX eh.
Yeah.
Yung gusto ko sa mga ganito eh. Kasi pag-apak mo ng
The gas?
accelerator, oo, talagang...
Yeah, it's very responsive, like right away.
Yeah.
And then when you come to a stop, you'll hear the exhaust. It pops.
It pops?
Yeah.
What do you mean it pops?
So we'll put it in manual. Do you hear that?
Oh.
Yeah, that's it.
Yan nga, kaya yan ang binibili ng ano eh. Paano papatayin to? Ito rin.
Yeah, that's it. Just turn off.
Paano papatayin yung ano nito? Yan ang binibili ng Lamborghini, yung ingay eh. Parang ang ganda pakinggan talaga ng ingay eh.
Yep, this is super sporty. Yeah, I think it's a little smaller, but next is Lambo.
Bukas yung bintana.
Oh, Alright, I'm leaving Gohan here with the rents. Right now we're gonna meet up with Angus, and he's rounded up some of the cars that he's worked with, and they're pretty crazy cars, so including this one. And we're planning on doing a photo shoot. So first things first, car wash. Well, Shane's car is here, but he's nowhere to be found. I guess I'll just wait, dry off the Supra. I think we should get going though, because we were supposed to meet at 2, and apparently everyone's already at the meeting spot, and I feel like I'm the only one who knows locations in this city, so everyone's counting on me. Once we get there, I'll offer some of my ideas for photo shoot spots, and then we'll go from there.
I looked at your car, I was like, that thing is
pretty okay.
needing a car wash.
Yeah. No, it was pretty dusty.
It's supercharged, eh?
Oh, is it?
It's 600 horsepower.
Oh crap, dude. Okay, never mind. Damn. I wasn't even expecting. Oh, what? 600 horsepower? Fuck, dude. Shit. With the Arkhov exhaust. There's a Lambo GTR LC500. Holy mother. Crazy. Okay. Let's get parked up and show you guys some of the cars that are here. Damn.
Check out the studio?
Oh, not yet, man. Yeah, I'm gonna check this out right now. Yeah, this is intense, dude. How's it going, Royce? I haven't seen this thing before.
Okay.
This thing's so crazy. So, believe it or not, I remember for like a family day, we went to Banff with my family, and I saw this LC500 parked in the parking lot in a corner. I'm just like, dude, I gotta take a photo with this thing, and here's the photo. Who knew it was one of Angus's customers too, though. The Lambo guy's not gonna be staying with us for too long, so hopefully we get all the content we need. Yeah, engine in the back. Okay, so first stop is YMCA, which is like 5 minutes away. This new one has such beautiful architecture, so I think it's a perfect backdrop. First time cruising with an LC500, man. That's cool. Okay, cool. Here it is. see if we can actually park in there. I know for a fact that no gym is open, so we should be okay to park here. Please carry me. Damn. Yo, this is dope. This is such a sweet spot. Okay, so this is actually the new YMCA in Calgary. And kudos to the architect or the designer, because yeah, you don't see many buildings like this in Calgary. Oh, the new music center kind of looks similar. Could actually be the same designer. Ideally, I'd want somewhere with shadow, and this is perfect. No, I just saw this. I'm sorry, bird is a dead bird. Sorry, bird. Grab this. Yeah, man. Oh. Whew. Just something else. Off limits, but
Patton is the best subordinate the American Army has ever produced. Some are exceptionally talented as coaches and mentors.
okay, so I'm running out of batteries. I'm gonna go find an outlet and maybe set these guys up. This is a perfect spot. Basically have this entire playground. Yo, this is my old elementary school.
I'll take your girl when she come to town, yeah. You got a lot to say when I'm not around. Is that all you gotta talk about? Spank a pole if you feeling loud. Drip, drip, diamonds always hit, bitch. Roll around the town with your ex, bitch. And I'm so logged into your Netflix. I should blow my phone with that ring.
Guys, I feel so bad. This family was waiting for me and I took my sweet ass time. So they're upstairs looking at some of the merch and just grabbing my stuff, but I'm gonna sign a hoodie for him. How are the thumb holes? Yeah, oh sweet, man. Cool. I have to sign it still, so. Or it might be better if it's on you, actually.
Alright, and just here in the front.
Sure.
You want it the front or? Yeah.
I'll draw a Pikachu. So you follow the cars and the art? Oh wow. This comes off, you can come back and have me sign it.
Alright.
Yeah. Cool, man, we'll do this.
Cool.
Ninja sign.
Oh, ninja sign?
Go like this? Yeah, right on, man. I'll do this. That's it. Sweet, man. Okay, I'll give you that, dude.
Thank you.
Alright, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll come back for the white one.
We came here for.
Yes.
I thought you guys were still in cooking mode, so. Okay. Well, dig in, guys.
Thank you, Sunny, for cooking.
Yeah, thanks, Sonny. Got a pretty nice STI. Man. Makes me feel good inside, you know? We got like local supporters here. That guy was following me for both the art and the cars, and apparently the uncle is one of my hardcore supporters, so that kid's gonna make his uncle jealous. All right, let's eat. All right, we are back in the studio and I'm just gonna conclude it. So today is just a really super chill day. Super chill day following behind a Lambo. Like, no biggie, that's cool. Honestly, guys, in all of the previous years before YouTube was really a thing, where this vlogging sensation became the new reality TV, when I started doing these DIY videos in the very beginning of my YouTube career, I never really imagined myself ever having a chance to be able to hang around these insanely expensive cars, let alone have kind of like an entry-level luxury car for my own. I'm still really shocked in the position I've placed myself in. It's cool, okay? And yeah, I have YouTube to thank for it. I have you guys to thank for all of this. Really, at the end of the day, I gotta be thankful for this opportunity and this blessing. I remember my dad always telling me never to put financial gain or prestige on a pedestal, but to always treasure the experiences and the journey leading up to whatever goal it is you've set for yourself. It kind of went something like that, but it's pretty good. Of course, to embrace life's journey. I want to thank you guys for being a part of this one. Yeah, pretty good note to end at. As usual, if you want to get updated on when new videos come out on the channel, subscribe if you wanna. And remember guys, let's smash that like button, like how all the other YouTubers push it. Joking, I'm okay. But I think for your video to show up on people's recommended lists is really dependent on how many likes and how fast it is that you gain positive likes on that video. And I think that's why all these YouTubers are asking you guys to smash that like button. Like if you liked the video. I'm not gonna force you guys to do so, but I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Leave some good vibes in the comments. We will see you when we see ya. Bye bye.